Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Eva Julianti with student ID number 049 from the English Literature Programs. Today, I'd like to present a journal on the topic an analysis of figurative language on the song lyrics You Are My Sunshine by Annie Murray. The first is introduction. Figurative language is a form of language used to convey something beyond the literal meanings. In figurative language, song lyrics are used to express a meaning contained in literary works, which is implied, which is expressed in figure of speech. Figurative language in song lyrics give a sense of beauty. The beauty of the language will make the song lyrics become interesting for song listener, so that it become popular and famous song lyrics that were popular at the time, one of which were You Are My Sunshine. Literary review. Definition of figurative language. Figurative language is a language that cannot be taken literally and say something means else. Kinds of figurative language. Comparison. Comparison is figurative words to express comparisons so as to increase the impression to listener and readers. There are 6 comparisons, namely simile, metaphor, personification, hyperbole, euphemism, and symbolism. The example of simile: her cheeks are red like rose. The explain: a person who is blushing or very embarrassed has a slightly rosy color. The example of metaphor: her eyes are the star in the night sky. The explain is: consider similar it that his eyes are sparkling and beautiful like the star at night. The example of personification: my alarm yelled at me this morning. That is personification because my alarm is an inanimate thing, but it is can scream like human. The example of hyperbole: this bag weighs a ton. The sentence is the example only express objection to carrying a bag so that it exaggerates the language. The example of euphemism. The example of euphemism: taking an early retirement. The taking an early retirement instead of admitting they got fired. The example of symbolism: the project has finished being done, just waiting for the green light from the company. The green light does something that is carried out. The green light, which a gesture for permission to carry green light, is used as a symbol to express the time indirectly. The next affirmation. The example is you're smart, you're kind, you're important. You're smart, you're kind, you're important. The explain is you're smart, you're kind, you're important. You're important in my life because you are smart and also kind. Repetition expression to give emphasis to sentence. The example of satire irony. A post on Facebook complaining how useless Facebook. The sentence: a post on Facebook complaining how useless Facebook. To insinuate Facebook users to sentence includes irony. The sarcasm example: your brain is a shrimp brain. The explain is someone who is difficult to understand or utterly stupid. Contradiction. The example of paradox. Now here you see it takes all the running you can do to keep in the same place. The explain is that if we examine the sentence, it looks contradictory to the word running and in the same place. The example of antithesis. Man proposes, God disposes. Example is human only tries to get a meat and fortune, but all of it God determines. The example of idiom. She is long-faced because her mother forgot to give her money. The meaning said, this is an idiom because it consists of two words which have one meaning. The example of imagery. It was dark and deep in the forest. Our example of imaging in which it through our visual. The research method. The first is research design. The research design in the research is a descriptive qualitative. This research uses a descriptive qualitative because the research is in the form of words. Qualitative descriptive research is easy to understand because qualitative data is described in described manner. The second is data collection method. Data collection is the process of gathering information from accurate sources to find answers to research problems. The third is data analysis method. Data analysis used in qualitative data analysis. Qualitative data analysis in the form of word or sentence data generated by the research object. Finding and discussion. The first is research finding. Research was conducted to find out the type of figurative language in the song lyrics. This research used 13 types of figurative language. 9 types of figurative language are in the song lyrics, and 4 types of figurative language are not in the song lyrics. The second is discussion. Figurative language in song lyrics, namely metaphor, simile, personification, hyperbole, euphemism, symbolism, repetition, irony, sarcasm, paradox, antithesis, idiom, and imagery. There are 4 types of figurative language that are not used in the song lyrics, namely simile, personification, paradox, and irony. First, simile in the song lyrics. There are no sentences comparing things using as or like. Stand metaphor are used. Second, personification. In the song lyrics, there is no use of animated as if they were eating like living pigs. The last is conclusion. From the explanation of the research finding and discussion, it can be concluded that there are types of figurative language in the song lyrics You Are My Sunshine. In the song lyrics, some lines use figurative language while others do not. Therefore, the researcher will conclude the types of figurative language in the song lyrics You Are My Sunshine. In analyzing figurative language, the research classified the types of figurative language in the song lyrics into 13 types based on MacArthur 1996 in Krishnawati 2017. Metaphor, simile, personification, hyperbole, euphemism, symbolism, repetition, irony, sarcasm, paradox, antithesis, idiom, and imagery. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.